guys. After not having my car for almost a month, trying to get it out of the mechanic's garage, they finally called me last night and we picked up the car. Actually, I was at church and my ex-husband went to go get it along with his buddy who was a mechanic, and they called way after hours, and knowing that we weren't going to really notice the scratch that was on our car and the tires that were changed, because those weren't the same tires that came into the shop. They drove it around like crazy, must have, because there's hardly any gas in the car. The first time we got it out of the mechanics, they said it was running fine. The engine light was still on. We kept trying to go back and the engine light was still on. They finally fixed that, but put a gas leak. The gas, not a gas leak, but the oil leak was, there was an oil leak in the car. So we had to take it back, and it's still leaking oil. Anyways, this place, they saw me coming a mile away, and they just took advantage and gave them almost $2,000. No, gave them over $2,000. And the engine is fine now, but it's leaking oil. They changed tires. They changed my tires. They scratched up the back of the car, and they put oil marks all over the seats. And it's just really, it's just wrong what they did. So we're gonna put in a complaint and see what happens. You know, we're gonna see if we can get some of our money back, or we're just gonna complain so that way they don't do this to anybody else. But I'll show you how what they did to the car. So we finally got the car back, and it came, they did that. The tires are all worn. There's oil, there's an oil leak. That is entirely, that tire, totally ruined those tires.
So we're thinking about trading this car. Hello. This car. This is the car we don't have yet. Okay, we don't have it yet.